Let's compare the online virtual djembe drum with the real thing.
Firstly, we're going to look at the virtual djembe drum. This one has a dot painted design on it. My expectations are not really high when it comes to a virtual djembe because the drum head is quite small, but let's see how it sounds. I actually really like the animation when you click it. And we've got 3 sounds that are on a loop. They go through bass, tone, slap, bass, tone, slap, bass, tone, slap, and repeat. It's still quite satisfying. It's a nice sound, but it's probably no comparison to a real djembe drum.
This one is handcrafted in Ghana. It's honestly no comparison using a device compared to a real drum that has a lot of physical weight, solid wood structure, natural drum head. With a virtual instrument, the instrument you can click on wherever and it plays the sound. This is your playability. Like this is your button in a way. Wherever you play it, it will produce a completely different tone. The vibrations with a real instrument are going to be much more powerful. The bass is phenomenal. It's just if you do want to try the virtual djembe drum, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. But if you want to know which djembe drum is right for you, then I'd highly recommend clicking this video on screen now.